only going to last about 4 seconds. Seriously?
Yeah, I mean, Stephen, have you thought about any of this? About the minute you finally... Are you going to take Cialis or something?
Well, I listened to Howard Stern, his advice for virgins. He lost his virginity at age 16. Between 16 and 18, he had 15 to 20 sexual partners. So he said on his show, in order to join our club, you must first do it.
Okay, well, that's what you have to do. You got to do it.
Right.
Have you really tried to get laid, Stephen? Or are you just holding out?
Well, I tried one time. I told Benji down in Exotica that I tried one time to swing. We can just play with you and that'll be fine. So they just played with me.
Now, I got a question.
That's the truth. I never told Bill that, though, because I was afraid when I was on K-Sex Radio in 2005 and Playboy Radio with Christy Candy and Ginger Lynn, if I told them that, they would never believe me that I'm a virgin.
What are they, who was called recently a media whore? That was the Bachelor, right? That's really what Stephen is.
Yeah.
I see. You just need a lot of attention.
Oh, yeah.
Right. I can't say the F word, though, but I did.
Oh, you already
did, you moron.
Right, well, the Howard Stern show, they do it all the time now.
Oh, really? Really? Oh, that makes you feel so good. Idiot.
Howard Stern's advice on vaginas. He said...
Okay, listen. Listen, when I want you to talk, I'll call you and listen to you. Right now, shut the hell up.
All right.
And as a matter of fact, I'm going to get rid of you. So,
okay.
And now, tell me, once we get this done, will you go away?
Well, I guess that's it, Bill. I wanted to be the 4-year-old virgin, but that's not going to happen.
All right. Goodbye.
All right, bye.
Okay. I can only handle so much of that moron Persian, and thank God it'll be a short period.
Yeah, it won't last long for you.
I don't know. Maybe we'll draw this out another season to death.
If that means he's going...
I'll torture him.
If that means he's going to die, then I'm in.
Yeah,
let's go. Imtiaz, has he laid off on you? Is he
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? It was his birthday yesterday. You didn't leave me alone yesterday. You know, I told him, don't worry, I've got everything under control. But he won't call me because, you know, he's afraid to call me. I told him, if he calls me, I'll never talk to him again.
Right, it's over with. So, that's real important. So, okay, Persia, so they should begin to check out your website. It's persiaspalace.com. And we're excited to have you up here in the studio.
Well, I'm very excited to meet all of you.
All right. And Imtiaz, what do you do?
I'm a real estate broker in the state of Arizona.
Okay, good for you. I'm glad you got dragged into this. Well, but you know what? In Arizona, you got to have some awesome houses that you get. So you must make some real cash on that.
No, I'm actually in a very specific business. My company only deals only high-end golf course communities.
Oh.
Actually, you know, I don't know if you know, but Persia is an exceptional golfer.
Ah. So, you know, we have some really nice golf courses up here, especially up in the Turning Stone Resort and Casino has some beautiful courses, and the PGA makes a stop here, so.
Yeah, well, go. You know, I have topless golf tips on my website, so go in there and check some of those out.
Okay. All right, well, nice job there, Persia. Thank you.
Okay,
and
thank you.
Imtiaz, nice job. We'll talk to you again soon. We're excited about the 18th of August.
Well, 20th.
The 20th. 20th, sorry about that. Okay.
Yeah, we're going to have to call. 19th and the 20th morning is the show, is that correct?
Okay, yes, perfect. 20th, we can definitely do that.
Okay, very good. Then I've already booked for the tickets.
Beautiful.
And we'll see you, on the 20th.
On the 20th. We'll talk to you again before anyway. So thank you, Persia. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Fantastic.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Okay. I like them both.
I was going to Steve. He can go away at any time.
Stephen, yeah. Stephen.
It's so freaking annoying.
If it wasn't the fact that all this was just being done, I would not do this for him.
Right.
I really wouldn't. But, and I have, listen, if you listen to the people who listen, I get a lot of text messages and a lot of emails, all of them saying, get rid of him. Get rid of him. And I do believe that this might be the thing that does.
Once he does this, he's not Steve the Virgin anymore.
Yeah, he'll be gone, it'll be all over with.
Steve.
Yeah. Steve, who we don't want to talk to? And the dropping of the Howard Stern name over and over again is just getting sickening, Steve.
Howard Stern.
I mean, give me a break. He didn't do this for you.
No, he doesn't even like you. He's only ever spoken to Benji.
Right. Who's what on that show?
I'm not even sure.
You know? All right, nice. I'll take a break, come back here. I want to get back into Barb and Bill.